brands for period panties today. Starting with Adira, this brand has hipster style and boxer style, and they have these solid colors in blue, black, pink, purple, green, all solid colors. What I absolutely love about this brand is their sizing. They go up to 10XL in their sizing, which is commendable. The next brand is SOQO. They have your hipster style, they have bikini style, and they have boy short style in black and orange color, and they go up to sizing 4XL. Next one is HealthFab. HealthFab has hipster style and they also go up to sizing 4XL, but they talk about the 5 times absorbency and the 6 times absorbency while you are buying from them. Fourth one is Sanity. Sanity has your hipsters and they sell a lot in pack and bundle, which is really helpful. They only go up to 2XL. And my most favorite is Mahina in terms of their knowledge. They talk about the rise of the panty, the fabric, the absorbency, which is so important when you're buying this. They have black and nude color and they also go up to 3 or 4XL. I started using period panties 2 years back and I have a detailed video on YouTube which looks like this. You can check that out. When you are buying period panties, make sure that you buy them in bundle. It becomes cost effective. And second, buy them on the days that you want to use, like high flow days or low flow days. That helps you. If you're not based in India and you want me to share like global brands for period panties, let me know here and I will curate that for you.